Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorial YouTube channel. For this video of How to Tutorial, I will be showing you how to enable dark mode in Messenger Lite application. So to begin the process, open the Messenger Lite application. You can see the Messenger Lite application is currently in the light mode. For you to change this, you can tap open the setting on the Messenger Lite, but you will not have a option to turn it into the dark mode. To do this, you need to open the settings on your mobile device. Go and tap open the settings. On the setting page, you need to go to the about phone. The about phone is either in the top of the page of the setting or at the very bottom of the page. You can just find out about phone at the either top of your phone setting or at the very bottom. It's different regarding to the phone device. So here I have it on the top. Tap that. On the about phone, you scroll down to the very bottom and you will have this build number option. You keep tapping that, then you will be turned on as a developer. If you tap that, you can see you are already a developer. Once you do that, you need to go back and then you need to find the developer option in there. If not, you can just tap on the search setting on the top and type in developer option. Then tap on search. You will see the settings. Tap that. Here on the developer option, you need to scroll down and find the first dark mode or the override dark mode. You just will find it. You will find it once you keep scrolling and look for it. And there it is, override first dark. Override the first dark feature to be always on. This is how it is on my phone, but in other phone, it might be as first dark mode. First app to use dark mode, even not fully supported. So these are two things that might be present in the setting of the developer option, turning on the dark mode on your Android device. Now if you tap that, the toggle will move to the right side, which means first dark mode to your Messenger Lite application will be turned on. That is, the Messenger Lite application will be changed to the dark theme. Not only that, all the phone application on your Android will be turned to the dark theme. In your Messenger Lite application, you can see the feature has been changed. That means the light mode has been changed to the dark mode. So this is how you can enable dark mode on Messenger Lite. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the How to Tutorial. Thank you.